Hello, welcome to HAR Legal Corner. I'm Dick Hargis, HAR Legal Counsel. Today let's talk about business records retention for Texas real estate brokers, the legal requirements and storage options available in today's world. You know, what used to require either a great number of on-site file cabinets or storage rooms, an off-site storage facility, perhaps a home attic or garage. Business records retention now can be reduced to a 5-inch disk or file storage computer server. While the old school way of storing business records is still available and utilized by some, the more modern approach is to scan files and store on disk or controlled server. And the cost of storage after initial scanning requires less space and less money compared to the old way. Now, admittedly, the cost of scanning old files currently in storage can be quite expensive. So think about just allowing those files to meet their just end through natural attrition in accordance with your company's document retention policy. And start afresh with a new document retention policy in the new year. Let's take a look at what records have to be maintained. The TREC rule requires brokers to maintain all disclosures, commission agreements such as listing agreements, buyer rep agreements, or other written agreement relied upon to claim any compensation, work files, contracts and related addenda, receipts and disbursements of compensation services, property management contracts, documents required by the Uniform Standards of Professional Appraisal Standards, and sponsorship agreements between the broker and the sponsored salesperson. Because of statute of limitations, either 2 years for torts and DTPA after discovery of the wrongdoing, or 4 years for contracts, I've always recommended a document retention policy for brokers of not less than 5 years nor more than 7 years. So by law, a broker's document business records retention policy cannot be less than 4 years, but can be longer to cover potential claims discovered more than 4 years after the transaction closed or was terminated. HAR broker members should strongly consider utilizing the new HAR transaction management platform powered by Stewart Title's SureClose, which offers very affordable file storage as part of its list of services. Free. A user of this new transaction management system receives free storage of files for a period of 7 years from either the date the transaction was initially opened or the transaction closed, whichever is later. But in no event may such period exceed 10 years. Pretty good deal.